so what's this right here?
We are here because we don't believe that the government should take care of our health care. They have screwed up enough with everything else they take care of. And 72% of all people polled have said they want to keep their current program.
This is an impressive chart.
It's a very impressive chart, and it shows all the bureaucracy that one would have to wade through to get health care. It's very frightening when you look here at the Health Choices Administration Commission. You can only imagine that some bureaucrat is going to be in charge of your, determining whether you get that health care or not, especially if you're over 60. So that is something for everyone to think about.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
I was asking one thing the federal government does. Exactly. One thing they do well, besides parking tickets.
Without making it more costly than if you just left it in the private sector.
We always heard jokes about the Army. That's the federal government
Hey, so you guys are in front of Jeanne Shaheen's office here.
Absolutely.
Is there something you want to tell Jeanne Shaheen?
We want to tell her. You better not vote on
The
it.
cap and taxes.
No cap and trade?
Cap and taxes.
Cap and
Call it
taxes.
by what it is.
Yep.
So you know
Cap and raid.
So waxman marquee is the piece of legislation on cap and trade and the Obamacare, I guess, the 1,086 pages. Do you think that Jeanne Shaheen or anybody else has really read it?
No.
Do we hope that they read it?
We would hope they would, but they won't. That they read it.
Yes. Well,
Read it and understand.
They're driving poor business people out of business. My husband and I are being driven out of business because of all this crap.
And they are exempt from the health plan they're pushing through.
which is wrong.
Well, yeah, if it's such a great plan, why are they exempt?
Well, thanks, guys.
On page 16.
Is the congressman and the senators going to have the same health care package, or are they going to have their own?
Two. This is my first time, but I'm a teacher on vacation. I said I've got to come out. I can't. I have no excuse.
Is there anything you guys want to tell Jeanne Shaheen?
That's what it's going to be.
Say
Yes,
no.
vote no.
Stop the spending.
You think that the government is going to do a better job than your private health care?
Heck
No,
no.
competition is healthy.
What does the government do good? Nothing.
That's right. And also, were you guys able to find your doctor's office on that chart? Probably not, huh?
No, I didn't look.
All right, guys, thanks.
Oh, you're just taking it.
Well, just trying to, we're going to get it out to the world, your message. It's going to go on the internet.
Good.
All right, so what is it you'd like to tell Carol Shea-Porter and Jeanne Shaheen and then the rest of the New Hampshire delegation?
What we'd like to tell them is that we do not want government-run health care. Government can't run anything. It would mean higher taxes. And if you're a senior, and a lot of us have getting gray hair, you want the government to decide if you need a hip replacement or cancer treatment or whatever. You want the government to tell you what you need.
All right.
I just want to add that it hurts small business.
And we own a small business.
It's a small business tax, isn't it?
Small business.
Just another one.
Well, it's going to tax everybody, even the middle class.
Absolutely.
Put our country back, and what this. Well, you know, their tolerance only goes one way usually.
I tried to get these printed out. It's like, oh, darn. Here you go, bud.
Shea-Porter, no national health care. There you go. That's it. I love it. Yeah. That is absolutely that, and that's absolutely what it'll be.
You know, I had an uncle, he's a Canadian,
Really are.
No government run health care.
he was a family physician, and in his 80s he had his second stroke. They left him. It took them 6 hours to get an ambulance to come and get him.
Where was this?
In Canada.
I called all the places. addresses. All I would get was like email addresses. I think I got one phone number. But my concern is they're going to probably say, well, why should I do this? And this is where I need your brain power in a quick. This is
He
why.
actually had an idea. He had
All
a good
right,
idea.
yeah, just get me into an email. I can blow it out tonight, and then this way, if they can use you as a contact, in case if they decide you're hot and ready to go, if they can talk to you, if I get back there, then I'll pull that whole everything.
Find out what it is.